Aish. Ulala. Aish. Adeya. I have myself on the morning. In the morning. I did the job. Oh, yeah. What I don't understand is in the morning. What you motherfucker say? You mean nobody? Where's the image at? You want to see the image? You don't want to see nothing else? Oh, yeah. The Dendera Zodiac Wheel. The Dendera Zodiac Wheel. It's a little bit unclear. It's a little bit unclear. Okay. Let's walk through this, alright? Maybe this one is kind of slow. That one look better. That one look better. View that image. Let's see. Yeah. This one is crazy better. Let's see the screen now. The Tintirwa Zodiac line. Somebody just came in and disappeared. What's up, Mandy? That right there. That right there. That right there is a timekeeping device. At all them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We got 12. We got 12 right there. That's 12 months. And oh, it's crazy, bro. I saw right here. I saw you move all the way down around your mouth. Is how they used to measure time using this right here. So they created this device. This device was used in timekeeping. It's like a watch. Okay, it's even accurate and better. First Angela. First Angela. Mega. Mega. I know. Mega. This is a different. They represent them as human, but to be specific, is they are different kind of energy that are present in different kind of seasons and period of the year. So this whole thing here, as you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. We got 12 months in a year. So these represent those 12 months. We start from September. September, which is what is it? September is the beginning of the year. September is the renewal energy. September is the renewal energy that renews everything. Okay? There's a renewal of energy in September. The green start to sprout out. There's a green sprouting in September. That's why they used to call it the beginning of the year. Uh, so right now, we are starting our year in January, which is completely out of alignment. But if we start our year in like September, we will be in in a better alignment with our environment. Substantial. So I try to sleep on this house. It's better. It's better if if we start our year in in September. That's way better than by now because we are in alignment with the energy that's present, which is the as which is called is the deity. This deity is aligned, called as sorrow. What's going on? You just went. I just gave. Do you know what that is? Do you know what that is? Do you know what is on the screen right now. Do you know what is on the screen? Hundred percent, baby. 100%. 100%. 100%. So this is called the Tindero. Yeah, you can just change it. That's crazy, bro. That is, this is where it came from, right? Right here. This is where it came from, right here, man. Came from right here. We are live right now, baby. From Chicago. Calling in from Chicago. Oh, okay, okay. Do you know what that is? You know what you can see right now on your screen? Or you don't know? Type it on the chat. You can't disappear, man. How can you just disappear? Get it? This is the calendar right here. Stone Age calendar. Long time ago, there were genius people on this planet that decided to build a calendar using stones. A calendar that can measure a whole year. A calendar that can measure a whole year. Yeah. This calendar was used to measure time. Long time ago, man. Long time ago. Calendar you use to measure time, you know what I'm saying? You are back again? What's going on, man? What's good? What is good time in the morning? Four. What? What? That is some bullshit, bro. Fresh. Yo. Let's go to Lynch. Lynch. Lynchpin. What? No, we are not doing that. Linchpin. Oh, it's a linchpin, okay? Linchpin. Yeah, right here. Oh my daddy. Oh my daddy. Oh my daddy. Oh my daddy. Yeah. Now that's better, right? That's better. That is better. That is better right there. Why can't it move, man? I don't understand why this is not moving. Have you heard of that? Have you heard Lynchpin by Terrence Howard? You never heard of this? Huh? What? This is Lynchpin, man. The Lynchpin is a common factor of all things. Common fact. Welcome to the home of New Paradigm. Is our hope that today. Here you will find information, inspiration, what, and more to explore. Well, this is a video. We can watch it. We can watch it, right? Exploring the nature of the square root of 2.
An Exploration of the Nature by Terrence Howard. Just as the symbol 2 signifies the combination 1 plus 1, the symbol for the square root of 2 satisfies the equation x times x equals 2. Now, on a larger scale, the history of numbers has largely been the journey from concrete reality into the imagination. Does this equation have a solution? Can it? We have repeated this cycle in our passage from the natural numbers to the integers, introducing negative integers. In our passage from natural numbers to positive rationals, introducing ratios. In our passage from rational numbers to algebraic numbers, introducing roots. In our passage from algebraic numbers to real numbers, introducing limits. And in our passage from real numbers to complex numbers, where we introduce solutions to the equation x times x equals -1. Momentum that we take these number systems as universal truth. Why? Indeed, any mathematician with an understanding of category theory and abstract algebra would object to the special emphasis placed on these particular systems. They are useful in some applications, I will say, but they are fallaciously applied to all situations. If you would but open your eyes, never again would they close. And society's strict adherence to the artifacts of number history strikes the enlightened as rather suspicious. So how did the square root of 2 come about? Well, we must journey to the time of Pythagoras and his followers. Flat geometry was beginning to sprout in Western minds. And of particular importance was the right triangle, a triangle with orthogonal edges meeting at a right angle. What we now call the Pythagorean theorem was being explored, and a simple situation was laid out. Consider a square with sides of unit length. If its sides are of length 1, then what is the length from one corner to an opposite corner? The Pythagorean theorem states that this diagonal D should satisfy the equation D times D equals 1 times 1 plus 1 times 1. Of defect, an assumption that would be ignored for thousands of years. In trying to solve this equation to find the value of D, the value of 1 times 1 was taken to. But what of the unit that I previously called length? The products of a unit length with another unit length must have units of area. Correct? A choice was made and then taken to be arbitrary. This could not be farther from the truth. So let's see what's happened here. Now, it would help us to use modern language, and in that, credit should be given to Grassmann. This man worked to clarify the assumptions and language of the physicists of his day. And by his contemplations, multilinear algebra arose. And in laying the foundations for this formal system, he was the first to contrast the algebra of linear spaces, and so also the first to suggest nonlinear algebra. Today, Grassmann's work is called geometric algebra. In modern physical theories, and only recently have people begun moving outside of the boundaries exposed by this brilliant soul. See, Grassmann recognized that vectors cannot be multiplied naturally or canonically. Choice must be made to equip the vector space with the structure of an algebra. Had the Pythagoreans accessed this perspective, they would have realized that one length may be an area of any chosen unit. Sure, setting this product to be one unit of area seems natural, but this is only because we have grown accustomed to this convention. Studying the universal properties of Grassmann's algebras, alternating tensor algebras, and Clifford algebras, these all being categorical quotients of freely generated tensor algebras, illuminates the student and reveals the great deception that we have allowed ourselves to slip into. And whether this series of events was orchestrated or malignant is for others to determine, but I can speak with certainty on the status of our numeral and coordinate algebras. They are curious artifacts, and we are ants toying with scrap symbols. If the square root of 2 satisfies x squared equals x times x, which equals 2, then our arithmetic conventions allows us to simply write it as 2 to the 1/2. Now in this way, 2 to the 1/2 squared is equal to 2 to the 1/2 times 2, which is equal to 2 to 2 over 2, which is also equals 2. Thus, 2 to the 1/2 cubed is equal to 2 to the 3/2, which is equal to 2 to 1 plus 1/2, which is equal to 2 times 2 to the 1/2. Now, the cube of the square root of 2 is equal to twice the square root of 2. That is to say, the square root of 2 is also a solution to the equation x cubed is equal to x plus x, which is equal to 2 times x. Such equations are unnatural, and our investigations of the cosmos will dissipate so long as we project this archaic system upon it.
All right now. All right. Is Angel Richmond. Was the one constitution that all things must abide by in order to exist or to be measurable in our reality. Linchpin marks that space, the unified field, understanding realized. All right. Stop children. We must stop children.